No, I tried shooting the bull. It's lower left. Lower right.
Oh, that hopped really well.
Hey! Hey! You ready for the memes?
I'm ready. How high is the volume? Oh wait, let me go on this side so I can actually.
Well, I was supposed to shoot, but...
The thought was there.
Also, I did it too early. Okay, it shoots. I want to know the physics of that BB.
Oh, if we're gonna go to the same building, we gotta walk over here.
Bro, I didn't come here to lose weight.
I came to camp the same building the whole day.
Wendy's?
I came to camp the same building all game.
Is this blind fire?
Pop, 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 pop.
Is this blind fire? I really want to shoot you in the leg. Straw. We could take 10 paces.
Start of the game? Alright. Oh wait, hold on. Let me switch it to where I can shoot it with the right hand. Oh, actually, let me just put it here. There we go. Alright.
Damn, bro.
Call it like this, so turn around and shoot.
Yeah, one shot.
Alright. When are we starting? It's 3, 2, 1, and on go. Oh shit! My heart.
He's quick. What do you think yourself?
I thought there was a game going on. All right, you ready?
Hold on, we got bites, man.
All right. Let me know when I'm ready. You know, that was a good call because mine was on. Yep.
Stand by. Go. I think we traded.
Oh, my stomach. Where'd I get you on the rig?
Oh, I think you hit me in the belly thing. I shot
Oh, nice.
Dude,
Right
that's
as it
so
came out
cute.
too.
I got mine today.
I fucking saw it on AEX's Instagram and I told my girlfriend, I was like, bye, this is my birthday.
I was like, I can get that with the silkies and just the female like thigh.
You want to touch this?
Yeah.
You gotta pull the tip off.
I know.
You just gotta take some pliers and just move.
Oh, they can do it later.
Oh, that was hot.
When two guns share an orange tip, it's super safe. All right.
You're in again.
Whew. Oh God, my gut. What?
They talk about toxic airsoft players, but they don't specifically mention me. So
What building was it? Was it the one up here?
yeah, it was like in the middle. Like it was like one up from that blue guy.
Oh, it's this one.
Yeah.
Oh, he's in
Yeah,
there.
yeah. It's okay, he's outside.
Is it from the window or from the back?
From the far back side. You go down low and you can get by.
No, he's not there. My hop's not set. Oh, that's to the moon.
I have this actually kind of decent idea. If we get further in that far, we can just hold the room and go drive. But we'd have to get like kind of far forward.
Yeah.
How far forward?
Ooh. Oh, the BB's on the floor. Is there a nice window there? Nice.
Yeah, I was gonna use one. This one is one. I don't know.
Oh, I guess he was already hit. Did you really hear he hit?
Yeah, I think it was very good there.
La-di-da. Oh, yo, I hate high caps.
I'm back, baby!
Nice. No, I'm over here. This building is weird. Woo. Oh, what's up? Whoop. Beer friendly, I think. Oh, I can't. Yeah.
Alright, you two got left.
Oh, I got somewhere. It hurt enough. I'm gonna cross. Oops. Where'd Navy Boy go? I just got here.
Damn it.
Oop. That's a wall right there.
Dude, all that time I was getting this.
Right?
I got you. Call your hit, yeah. Hey, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good.
I can barely see those BBs.